guys, this is a videotape, the entry for the Cat Quest, and this is a sequel. And this is also the cats, and those are the cats right there that don't really, no, not the dog. These guys right here. And also, let's scroll out. Okay. And also, people are trapped by the weirdo. And also, if you don't know, subscribe to our channel after this video. Or if you haven't subscribed, why? And also, if you don't watch it, you need to. And if you watched the next video, and you're watching this right now, like it. Okay, like it. Like it. I put you on camera, Mama. I'm evil. Wait, why's my hand white? I'm not a white person.
Logan.
I'm Mexican.
You are 50% white.
Ha! Percent of 100. No. No, face blurs. You haven't seen her. Have you? Well, I don't know how to do it. She's like 70-something years old.
72, quit it.
I thought 73. Looks like she's winnerless. No, I thought. Okay.